Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. It's the third match in round one, and the scores are St. George's College on 9 and St. Andrew Tech on 5. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. St. George's, it's time for your first minute. St. George's, what did God change Jacob's name to in the Bible before his meeting with Esau?
Israel.
Correct. How many eyes does a bee have?
8.
Incorrect. 5. Spell the word scallion that is used for cooking.
Scallion.
No, Escallion. Who is the leader of government business in the Jamaican House of Representatives?
All right, this is Camilla Johnson Smith.
Incorrect. Ed Bartlett. In what month is World AIDS Day commemorated?
December.
Correct. The Fujita scale is used to measure what
Tornadoes.
Yes. Who recorded the #1 hit Just Dance?
Lady Gaga.
Correct. What is the formula of sulfuric acid?
H2SO4.
Correct. What is the sum of all interior angles of a parallelogram?
Parallel 360 degrees.
Correct. Who played Jack in the movie Titanic?
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Correct. For how many years did Hugh Shearer serve in office as Prime Minister of Jamaica?
4.
Correct.
Years.
Who was the captain of the Guyana Amazon? And we will have to hold that one. That's the end of the first minute for George's. Now we go to St. Andrew Tech for their first minute. St. Andrew, according to the Bible, what was negative about Leah's physical appearance?
Zero.
Incorrect. Tender-eyed, funny eyes. How many legs does an ant have?
6.
Correct. Spell the word time that is used for cooking.
THYME.
Correct. Who is the chairman of the People's National Party in Jamaica?
Fitz Jackson.
Incorrect. Philip Paulwell. In what month is International Human Rights Day celebrated?
November.
Incorrect. December. What is the scale used to measure wind speed?
Anemometer.
No, the Beaufort scale. Which female international singer's first solo #1 song was entitled Crazy in Love?
Beyonce.
Correct. What is the formula of nitrous acid?
HCNO3.
No, HNO2. What is the size of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon?
60 degrees.
Correct. Which singer played the lead actress role in the movie Bodyguard?
Winnie Seven.
I didn't hear that, and I believe it came right on the bell. The correct answer is Whitney Houston. All right, end of the first minute for stats, and now we go back to George's for their second minute. St. George's, who was the captain of the Guyana Amazon Warriors in the 2020 Caribbean Premier League? Chris Green.
Okay.
What is the basic SI unit of electric current?
Ampere.
Correct.
Good.
What family member in Spain is El Tío?
The uncle.
Correct. What is the name of the first book by Edwidge Danticat? Danticat, sorry.
Pass.
Breath, Eyes, Memory. In what parish was Jamaican national hero George William Gordon born?
St. Andrew.
Correct. Who was the first king of Israel in the Bible?
Saul.
Correct. What is the name of the larval stage of a moth?
Larva.
Incorrect. Caterpillar. Spell Exodus.
EXODUS.
Correct. What was the name of the incumbent president in the 2020 general elections in the Dominican Republic?
President. All right. Louis Abinader.
No, Danilo Medina. What animal does an ornithologist study?
Bird.
Correct. What is the 6th planet from the sun?
All right. So Mars.
Saturn.
Correct. Which Jamaican recorded the reggae album Higher Place?
Bob Marley.
No, Skip Marley. End of the second minute for St. George's. Now back to stats for their second minute. St. Andrew Tech, who has served the most years as Prime Minister of Jamaica?
President James Patterson.
Yes. Who was the captain of Jamaica Talawas in the 2020 Caribbean Premier League?
All right. Andre Russell.
No, Rothman Powell. What is the SI unit of resistance?
Holmes.
Correct. What family member in Spain is La Abuela?
Grandmother.
Correct. What novel by Patrick Chamoiseau?
Boss.
Texaco. In what parish was Jamaican national hero Marcus Garvey born?
St. Andrew.
Correct. Who was the youngest son of Jesse in the Bible?
David.
Yes. What is the name of the middle section of the thorax of a butterfly?
Cephalothorax.
No, mesothorax. And spell partisan?
PARTISEN.
No, SAN. Who immediately preceded Boris Johnson as Prime Minister of England?
Proceed. All right. Pass.
Theresa May. What is the study of soils in their natural environment
Pedology.
called? Correct. What is the third planet from the sun?
Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Correct. Which Jamaican recorded the reggae album Upside Down 2020?
Piatash.
No, Buju Banton. And that's the end of the second minute for stats. Now we go back to St. George's College for their third and final minute. St. George's, what is the atomic number of Mercury?
80.
Correct. What is the next number in the series? 31, 29, 24, 22.
Pass.
17. Who voiced the character Pumbaa in the 2019 film The Lion King?
Pass.
Chris Pratt.
Seth Rogen. Or Rogen. For how many years did the Mexican Revolution last?
11 years.
No, 9 years. What is the official name for the last leg of a relay in athletics?
Pass.
Anchor. Which physicist is known for the work Principia?
Isaac Newton.
Correct. What does the Spanish adjective preocupado mean?
Worry.
Correct. Who is the author of the children's novel The Borrowers?
Pass.
Mary Norton. Name one of the Jamaican parishes with the place name Minosen-Yunocom.
St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth.
Correct. What book of the Bible comes immediately after Obadiah?
Obadiah,
Jonah.
Obadiah, Jonah.
Correct. What name is popularly given to the fourth finger on the left hand?
Ring finger.
Ring finger.
Correct. What part of speech is the word ghostly in the sentence? The ghostly episode.
Adverb. Adverb.
No, it's an
Adjective.
adjective. Ghostly episode finally ended. And that's it. That's the end of the third and final minute for St. George's College. And now we have to do the third and final minute for stats. And we begin. What is the atomic number of nickel?
26.
No, 28. What is the next number in the series? 544, 509, 474.
Pass.
439. Who voiced the character Timon in the 2019 film The Lion King?
Pass.
Billy Eichner. Which president of Mexico was ousted from power and exiled to
Manuel
France?
Guerrero.
Pardon?
Manuel Guerrero.
No, Porfirio Diaz. And in cricket, what name is given to a lower order batsman who comes in to bat higher up the order than usual near the end of the day's
Batsman.
play? No, night watchman. Which physicist developed the theory of relativity?
Albert Einstein.
Correct. What does the Spanish adjective cansado mean?
Pass.
Tired or exhausted. Who is the author of the novel Where the Wild Things Are?
All right. Emily Brathwaite.
Incorrect. Maurice Sendak. Vinegar Hill is a place in which Jamaican parish?
Manista.
No, Westmoreland. What book of the Bible comes immediately after Haggai?
Habakkuk.
No, Zechariah. And that's it. That's the bell. That's the end of the third and final minute for stats and the end of the speed challenge. The scores at this time are St. George's College on 30, stats on 17. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. This third match in round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz Season 2021 returns right after this.